Hi there, Corey Hickman with Comfort Matters Heating and Cooling, and I wanted to talk to you today about coils. Coils are what go on top of the furnace, and that's a key part of the air conditioning cooling system. So there's two different coils here that I wanted to show you. One thing that happens when you buy an air conditioning system, it's not like you just buy in a car. You're not going to Chevrolet, buy a car that's been completely built by one manufacturer to their specifications. We as installation companies have the ability to choose different components. There's many different ones, from the coils, the indoor section, outdoor section, and all the parts in between. One of the biggest pieces that I see happen is the coil selection, which is the indoor part of the furnace. A lot of companies may choose something that's maybe a little less expensive and a little lower cost, but the difference in performance is huge. And the one big thing I know here in Minnesota is humidity. Nobody likes humidity, and we have a lot of it here. And I want to show you a quick demonstration here of how one coil collects water more than the other. There's differences in the drain pan that will drain it out. And I'm going to show you with a pretty easy piece here. So we're going to bring the camera up here. And what I'm doing is, so when an air conditioner runs, this coil gets cold and water starts running down into this pan, and then it drains down your floor drain. So I'm going to show you the difference between a pan that's not really well designed to drain water versus one that does. So you see here I got a simple glass here of water, 4 cups of water, and I'm just going to start filling it in, and I want you to pay attention of when water starts to come out of the drain. So I'm pouring this water in here into the drain pan. Nothing's obviously coming out yet. So I am getting just about this entire one out of here. Okay, so we still got no water. I filled up one complete 4-quart. And I'm going to start a second one here. As you can see, I'm still pouring water in here. Now, like I said, there's some companies that choose, we'll just call it brand A versus brand B right now. Okay, so now I've got water starting to come out. And if you notice, I used one full one and almost a half a one to get the water taken care of on this one. Now, inside of here, there's a tremendous amount of water sitting in that drain pan. This is sitting in the air that you breathe that blows around your house. And what happens is when the air conditioner's not running, that water re-evaporates in your house, and you have a lot of uncomfortable humidity. If I try tipping it out, you'll see there's tons and tons of water in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go over to this other coil. Now this is something that we're very particular when we're picking all our components to make sure the customer has the best experience. So I'm going to start pouring water in again here. Same thing. And I want you to pay attention when water starts to flow out of this, and you see it's starting to flow already. And you'll see from here, I didn't even go through not even half of one, and the water's already coming out. The reason for that is the design of this particular unit, they actually angled the drains so the water moves its way towards the pan, so it moves it towards the drain. It allows the water to get out faster, keeps the humidity down in your house, which is a lot more comfortable. The other big thing I just want to point out, if you notice, one's a copper color and the other one's aluminum color, because they are different metals. That's another thing that can be chosen on a coil. One thing that's been found is the aluminum coils now are coming with a lot longer warranty, just because of a little better reliability. So we've been having issues with coil failure on the copper coils. But just want to show, selection of coil can make a huge difference on your air conditioner's performance. And this is one of those things that you as a homeowner will never know because it's behind all the sheet metal above your furnace, and it's very hard for you to identify. But these are one of the little details that we, as an installing company, can make that differs your performance, your ability, and also the efficiency and the long life of the air conditioner. So I want to thank you again. Once again, I'm Corey with Comfort Matters Heating and Cooling, and feel free to check us out at comfortmatters.com. Thanks, and have a great day.